I love when people look up to the sky and start to wonder, especially when it comes to something that they see time and time again. Jacqueline made one of those observations and asked, if the Earth is rotating, isn't the moon also rotating? If so, why don't we see the backside of the moon? And you know what? She's right. We do only see one side of the moon. The moon is mostly spherical like Earth, but it's not perfectly round, but neither is our planet. So, if the Earth is rotating, why isn't the moon? We only see one side of the moon because it's what's called tidally locked to the Earth. The specific term is synchronous tidal locking. This means the moon rotates on its axis at the same speed it orbits our planet, which is once about every 27.3 days. This tidal locking, put simply by the University of Hawaii at Manoa, is the result of the gravitational effect of the Earth on the moon. This results in the same hemisphere of the moon constantly facing Earth and keeps the far side of the moon facing away from us. This synchronous tidal locking is not a special relationship between the Earth and the moon either. NASA says it's actually quite common in our solar system. All of the solar system's large moons are tidally locked with their planets. There's also evidence that many planets beyond our solar system are tidally locked to their stars as well. And get this, even though it's tidally locked with Earth, we get to see more than half the moon. This is because of something called libration. That's an oscillation of the moon causing parts near the edge of the disk that are not often visible from Earth to sometimes come into view. The National Space Center in the UK says we see around 59% of the moon's surface from Earth because of that slight tilt of the moon's rotation, and because of the fact that the Earth rotates as well. These effects result in the moon being viewed from slightly different angles. So we do get to see a little more than half the moon. Even still, the other side of the moon that's not visible is often referred to as the dark side of the moon. But that side of the moon does see sunlight. That's why I call it the other side of the moon. Reporting from home, I'm meteorologist Ray Petelin.